I am currently headed over to pick up a Funko collection. So a guy called me from one of my ads, said he had about 200 pops that he was trying to get rid of, needed some cash. So I'm headed over there now to pick up these 200 from him. I should be getting them right around $2 a pop, maybe a little bit more than $2 a pop. So it's a good deal. Again, he called me off of my ad, so I only got to drive around 10 minutes away to meet him. I just meet at my pickup spot, and pretty simple. It's a pretty clear-cut transaction. I just thought I'd bring you guys along with me since you guys said you wanted to see more of this behind-the-scenes stuff, so that's what I'm showing you. All right? Let's make it happen. I'm about 7 minutes away now.
Outside at Commanders all day and shit.
It wasn't that bad because it started at 7 a.m. How you doing, William?
Yeah, nice.
I got my stuff on just so I got a YouTube channel.
Oh, that's cool, man.
So I always got it on.
Awesome, bro.
So yesterday, they started it early. So they started it at 6 a.m. because of the heat. So it wasn't that bad. It was only 77.
Oh, wow.
3 hours into it, it got a little hot, but that was it. Other than that, yeah, man. So how are you?
Awesome, man. Nice to meet you.
Good. Nice to meet you too, man. So what we got?
I got well, I don't want it to fall out because it probably moves since I've driven.
I gotcha. No worries.
Honestly, it's not about the money because I could sell all this. But I figured, man, you seem like a good dude and like you're gonna enjoy this stuff.
That's what I do. My wife and I. So
that's what you were saying.
Yeah, we literally
that's why
do
I was
this.
persistent. I was like, I got you.
That's sweet. I like the truck too, man.
Thanks, man.
Nice.
I say the license plate. University of Miami, man. I'm a hurricane.
Oh.
This is extra. Everything is in a pop protector.
Sweet. I love it when people do that.
Because I saw a lot of stuff on Facebook.
Yeah. I'm going to go through and just make sure we got amounts. That's all. I just always... One time I bought, nothing against you, I just bought a lot and then it was half of what it was supposed to have in there. All right, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15.
There's probably $400 worth of pop protectors in there.
How far was this for you?
60 miles.
60 miles?
You're a lot better than math than I am.
I just do it all the time, so after a while you just get the hang of it.
Need a lot of space for me. I start filling it back up with other shit.
So did you like used to collect and then decide to stop collecting, or?
Yeah, this is like probably the last of it. I mean, I was trying to do the signatures for a while, like everybody does. You know.
Yep.
You know the shtick.
Yep.
And then I'm also like I'm really into Star Wars.
Okay.
As with most 45-year-old men. But I also do the action figures. I have a lot of like old school Kenner and Hasbro. And
Okay.
that's what I'm really into right now. So this was just kind of I got to move on.
I
Everything
get it.
was literally bought new by me, and that's so much money.
Oh, yep. You're not the only one that's kicking yourself, man.
One of the Knights of Ren, Kylo Ren, there's a signature one in there too.
Oh,
that's
sweet.
probably worth something more than the regular one. Thank you. You don't mind if I count too?
No, absolutely not. Cool.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, no worries. All right, so I just got home from picking up that collection. Let's go ahead and see what's in it. I know it's a ton of Star Wars, and then there's like some random pops too. We'll start with those, some random pops. And then other than that, there's so much Star Wars. There's all of this Star Wars. There's this Star Wars too. But if I showed it all to you like that, y'all be bored as heck. So let me just show it all to you. Watch. Some of these McDonald's pops I never even seen before. Look. And now looking at the total value, it was 175 total collectibles. We've got 174 of them are valued. The one that wasn't valued is that autograph, which is valued at around 80 bucks. So we're a little bit over 3,400 bucks total value for the collection. And again, we paid only $460. So I feel like it was a good buy. We're going to make our money back on it. We usually do everything 50% off of its total value. So we're looking at least 1,500 to 1,700 bucks. At least, probably more than that. But yeah, let's make it happen. Go out, keep grinding, guys. See y'all on the next one.